All right, and go. All right, so what are we doing, buddy?
Lots of vacuums.
Lots of vacuums?
Todd is walking so.
Looks like that one's working. Shout out Adam's Tech Reviews. Thanks for the name.
Yeah, Todd is supplying webs.
Got Spidey here. Gonna start up all these vacuums for us. All right, are you gonna name these guys or what?
What is this one?
You do it.
You do it.
You do it.
You do it.
That's a Test 4 S6.
What is this one?
The sweep.
The Todd.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
And Diva, Glogly, Yuffie, Glogly, Green, another Triplastics. What is this one called?
Debia.
Debia, and what is this one? Hercules! And Whistle Spell Wave, another Whistle Spell Wave, another Glogly.
Is that everybody's name? How many are there? Did you count them?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 14, 1.
Lots of them. All right, so what are we gonna do with these guys today?
Clean them.
Yeah, start them up. All right, do you want to start them up? All right, you want to count? All right, count to 3 and then go. Ready?
You.
Oh, I have to count? All right, every time I have to count. Ready, and 1. 2. 2.5. 3. Go, go, go. Start them up. All right, Spidey's starting these guys up. You missed some. Doesn't look like the Devia's driving either. All right, so everybody's driving. Looks like D-Bot's getting pretty far away. The S6 is attacking the chair. Which one's your favorite, Sebastian? Pinky. Which one's the best one?
Yuffie.
The Yuffie? Is that all of them?
Mm-hmm.
All right, thanks for watching, everybody.
Thanks for watching, everybody.
Go ahead and like and subscribe. Gotta Hulk smash that like button. Hulk smash that subscribe.
Hulk smash.
Hulk smash. All right, have a good day.
Have a good day.